Hello guys, this is G Technology site. Itong video to coverage nito ng isang middle class computer build guides. So sa mga gustong napaplanong mag-build or bumili ng computer desktop or maybe laptop, meron din siyang similar to the desktop configuration. So stay tuned and let's roll. So first of all, I want to highlight this motherboard. Ito po yung boxes na binili ko and binil ko sa aking desktop na ginagamit today. So I'm a computer programmer and /IT /CS /computer engineer /electronics /electrical. So ito yung ginagamit ko for editing, building circuits, internet browsing, and watch videos. Naglalaro rin ako for Dota 2 and it's good naman na nakita ko yung aspects na kailangan ko for those applications. So ito, pumunta ako sa isang shop na merong gigabyte. Actually this is a small size motherboard. Hindi ko kasi afford yung mga pro guides, pero there's a good guy, my cousin. I think he will supply me pro build guide. So stay tuned and hit subscribe to kung gusto nyong mapanood na gumawa ko ng isang gaming tower build guide, yung desktop na huge. So back to the topic. Gigabyte F28M-DS2. So ito yung binili ko kasi gigabyte and gigabyte motherboards are more advanced for the MSI for me kasi I'm a gamer, so all of the stuff for the gaming applications is gigabyte. So yun, pumunta ako sa gigabyte, then tinignan ko yung kaya niyang i-support na AMD A series Black Edition and AMD A58 na processor. So this is the motherboard. This is the aspects for the motherboard itself. It has a front USB 2.0. Hindi siya kabilis, pero okay na yan for the application. And kasi meron ng 3.0. So 4 SATA ports, 2 ports, exclusive UEFI dual BIOS design, which is they are also nag-advance na sila for SMD parts. For the electronics, SMD is surface mount devices. So high ESD, so anti-static din siya for your handling. A PC2 mouse port, meron din siya for all of the stuffs. A D sub port for your monitor, and then a dual link DVI D port, a 2 USB 2.0 port, and a GBE LAN for your internet, and a HD audio. Pero I will recommend na bumili kayo ng, if you are a good music addict, or addict talaga. Kung hiling yung mag remix musics or some mag DJ, I will provide or recommend you to use a external PCI audio support for that application. So this is the Gigabyte DDR3 supportive motherboard. Next is my favorite HIS Radeon. So this is a PCI Express 2.1 slot, a DDR3, and a 2 GB graphics card, a 10 HP Full HD support, a HDMI slot, and this Radeon support a full graphical interface for your gaming or movie experience. Tapos dun tayo sa memory, syempre hindi naman mabubo yung computer, especially yung pana-heart ng ano. So pumunta ako ng A10 na 6790K AMD A series Black Edition. So I recommend you to buy a i5 core Intel kasi mga AMD mahilig sila sa maiinit. So ito medyo kailangan mong yung overclocking mo kasi mag-iinit sa loob. Dapat good reflow ng air dun sa chassis mo. So you need a good ventilation for the motherboard and the parts of it. So pero okay siya, basta merong air na papasok, meron nilalabas, so yung circulation ng air. So next is the memory. Pumunta ako sa Team Elite for the memory. I recommend to get 2, especially pag 4 gig siya, DDR3 4 gig. I would recommend you to get 2 for your memory kasi you will be doing, as I say, multiple works, nag-edit ka, naglalaro ka, nanonood ka, so you need at least 2 na 4 gig DDR3 na memory. So yun na yung hindi ko i-cover yung chassis and then yung monitor kasi I fully build it up, pero I will put the picture for this setup. And if you want more for the computer build guides, pwede kayong pumunta sa blog site ko, nasa description. And if you want to see extremely huge computer build like the gaming tower, like I said, meron magsusupply, good men na magsusupply sa akin, I hope, for that thing. I-upload ko siya and then re-recommend din ako ng mga tools and parts and softwares for your computer. So kung gusto nyo pang makakita ng more of these videos, kasi first time ko to na gumawa, baka I'll do it better pag nag-subscribe kayo and renate nyo tong video and nag-share kayo ng ideas. I probably will upload more of it. And then sa nag-aabang sa power supply, malapit ko na siya matapos, I will upload the schematics for that. And thank you guys, share this video and rate it, like or dislike, and give a comment. And thank you guys, I will reply to you. And stay awesome, be creative. G Technologic site. Thank you.